In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the Continue Playback prompt on VLC Media Player, so VLC remembers where you left off and asks if you want to resume the next time you open a video. This is a super useful setting if you watch long movies, TV shows, tutorials, or lectures and don't want to keep searching for your last position. We'll go step by step, and it only takes a minute to set up. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software how-to guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open the main VLC settings window, where you can customize how the player behaves. When the Preferences window opens, make sure you're on the Simple Preferences view. You'll see several tabs at the top, like Interface, Audio, Video, Subtitles, and Input or Codecs. Click on the Interface tab if it's not already selected, because the Continue Playback option lives here. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Preferences window. You'll see a checkbox labeled Save Recently Played Items. This setting is important because VLC uses your playback history to know where you stopped watching. Make sure this box is checked. If it's not enabled, VLC won't be able to remember your last position in videos. Now, stay within the interface settings and scroll down through the options. You're looking for a setting called Continue Playback? Depending on your VLC version, it may be slightly lower in the list, so scroll carefully until you find it. Once you see Continue Playback, you'll notice there's a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a few options. If you want VLC to ask you every time whether you want to resume from where you left off, select Ask. This is the most popular option because it gives you control each time you open a file. If you prefer VLC to automatically resume playback without asking, choose Always instead. Pick the option that best fits how you use VLC. After selecting your preferred option, click the Save button at the bottom of the Preferences window. This ensures your changes are applied. Now there's one final step that's very important. Close VLC Media Player completely and then reopen it. VLC needs to restart for the Continue Playback setting to fully take effect. Once VLC is reopened, try playing a video for a few seconds, close it, and then open the same file again. You should now see the Continue Playback prompt asking if you want to resume from where you left off, or VLC will automatically continue depending on the option you selected. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Continue Playback prompt in VLC Media Player, making it much easier to pick up right where you stopped watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more VLC and software tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like more VLC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.